Hello, my name's Scott Wilson, and over the last 8 years I've traded thousands of traders who have generated millions of dollars combined. On top of that, I'm proud to be one of the founding fathers of the Shark Tips educational program. You know, something special is happening in the world today. There are more and more people discovering a new generation of business opportunities. It gives them a chance to live their lives on their own terms, which used to be but a distant dream. We're talking about a flexible lifestyle with time for hobbies, travel, friends, and family. Working wherever you want and with people you choose. These people don't accept the life of just getting by with a low paycheck that barely covers necessities. They simply aren't willing to settle. I'm sure you've run into these types before. Many of them decided to act and build their own online businesses. One day, just like that, they woke up and decided to quit their regular job. Unless you work hard on your own dreams, you'll never reach them. So let me ask you a couple of questions to get us going. If by tomorrow you could dramatically increase your monthly pay, what kind of change would this bring into your life? If you had a chance to work on your own time from a place of your choice, how much would that improve your daily mood? Over the next few minutes, I'd like to speak to you about one of the biggest and most exciting opportunities on the world stage today. An opportunity that contains near infinite potential. The bottom line is that in this field, everyone has the capability to create a steady additional income for themselves. No exceptions. Before I reveal exactly what we're talking about here, let's recap. In this field, you choose how many hours you work each day. You choose the days on which you want to work. You don't have to deal with bosses, commutes, or traffic jams. All you need to reach financial goals is a computer and a stable internet connection. You can choose whether it's a primary or additional income stream. Between us, who wouldn't want to wake up in the morning and see results like that? Okay, so if you haven't guessed yet, I've been referring to the Forex, commodities, indices, and crypto markets. According to new data, roughly 86% of people lose when they begin trading. Some even completely wipe out their accounts in 3 months. On the other hand, there is an elite group of professional traders who enjoy consistent profits over the span of years and bring in more money than most folks make in a lifetime. Weird, isn't it? How could you succeed when so many are losing? Don't worry, we're going to discuss this in depth in a moment. But first, let's take a look at the world of high-level independent trading. What are these successful independent traders doing to consistently make long-term profits? What is everyone else busy with? Most importantly, let's look at ways for you to easily understand and implement what the most profitable traders in the world have been practicing for decades. For my team's recent analysis, these are the 5 main reasons that stop people from successfully trading in the Forex market. They lack knowledge and proper education. They are too busy to learn the market and how to work within it. They fear losing. They don't have enough initial capital to open a trading account. They think it's a gamble and not believe it's possible to make consistent profits. Over the last decade, around 20 million people learned something about the Forex market and trading, but still, most of them failed. This must mean that the knowledge they got wasn't accurate enough. On the other hand, as we talked about before, there's an impressive number of traders making tons of money. If there is a secret, it is having a wide range of knowledge, covering a variety of market aspects and working with the right tools and proper guidance from the beginning. As for the issue of time, the surprising thing is that to become a professional and to be successful at it, you don't need to spend an extreme amount of time studying. After 3 months of training, you'll already be able to implement the proper tools of trading and become an independent and profitable trader. How about the fear of losing? When you're equipped with the right know-how and can handle the market, those fear triggers become irrelevant. The odds of losing are still there, but when trading with the right tools, loss percentages get dramatically reduced. If your funds are low and starting capital is an issue, sit back and relax. What most people fail to realize is that Forex allows you to start your trading account with whatever amount suits you. Even $1,000 will grow over time. I once knew a trader who started small, maybe with a couple grand in his account. And today he's circulating hundreds of thousands of dollars every year because he didn't jump the gun. Last, but certainly not least, there's the common misconception that trading is essentially the same thing as gambling. It's easy to see where this notion comes from, with all the advertisements over the last decade. Statements like, come and make $5,000 in 5 minutes. People mistake the Forex market, which is the biggest financial market in the world, with binary options, which do share some characteristics with gambling. My friends, a genuine Forex trader isn't a gambler. The pro trader knows exactly what they're doing. Even when it looks like they're losing ground, they stick to a strict tactic that's proven to be profitable over time. This leads us to our next subject. Is trading for you? Well, let's look at people who are obviously not fit for trading. If you enjoy gambling and like to see numbers running around screens without really understanding them, please visit the nearest casino. You'll have plenty of beautiful people to look at, free drinks, and much more fun with less risk. If you plan to hit jackpots and then walk away, trading isn't for you. Trading is based on properly managed risks over a long period of time. From my experience, the people looking for jackpots get burned fast and take a lot longer to recover. If you can't deal with high levels of adrenaline, I completely understand. Trading isn't for you. If you have a hard time performing under stress, stay away from trading. Because let's be frank, moments of stress are sure to come. Any trading in general isn't for the faint of heart. Look, it's easy to spout dreams here, but my job is to tell you the truth. And the truth is that trading isn't for everyone. So let's look at whether trading is for you. If you're looking for an additional income stream to improve your lifestyle, trading may be for you. If you're looking for a new potentially profitable hobby, trading could be for you. If you're already an active trader looking to gain an edge and improve, or if you've tried trading before but failed and want to try again, that might be a sign you're ready to trade for real. I'm positive that if you've traded before and failed, you feel like you're missing out. If you think that trading in Forex is only for men, think again. Women often become better traders because they tend to have considerably stronger levels of patience. But let's start diving deeper into the details. When you talk about trading, there are 3 main types. 1. Day trading, buying and selling the position within the same day. 2. Swing trading, holding on to a position for a few days and even up to a few weeks. 3. Long-term trading, also known as investments, where traders hold the positions from anywhere between a few months to a few years. If you're thinking of starting with a $20,000 portfolio and then turn it into $60K overnight, I'd love to show you how to do that, but that's just not how it works outside the movies. With a standard investment portfolio, you can generate $500 to $1,000 a month, working at the lowest levels of risk. Let me surprise you. Did you know professional traders can be so profitable they make a decent salary with a mere 20% success rate? This means the same trader can lose 4 out of 5 times and still be profitable because that one time brings it home. How's this possible? By leveraging the ability to know when to cut losses fast and how to maximize profits. Let's say we're trading one lot size of 100,000. In our first 4 trades, we fail, but cut our losses after 10 pips, where a pip is $10. That means we're at a loss of $100 per trade, a total loss of $400. But our profitable trade brings in 50 pips, so we've made $500 on that trade for a total $100 profit. Pretty simple math. Professional traders are masters at cutting losses fast and riding profits off into the sunset. If you see the massive potential here and ready to put in some effort to join the team of elite traders, all you've got to do is keep watching. Here's what you'll need before you begin this journey. Internet. Sounds basic, right? When trading from home, you'll want full and fast access to the market. Trust me, you don't want a slow connection when you're in a great market position. For some trades, profits can happen in a matter of seconds. Computer. Although the software we use doesn't require an ultra-powerful computer, we want a computer that will be stable and not shut down on us. Trading platforms. Our gateways to the market that give us all the data we need in real time, so we're free to buy and sell as we like. To summarize, all it takes to trade from anywhere in the world at any time that suits you is a computing device and an internet connection. So once those are in place and you're technically ready to push the buy or sell button, let's examine how pro traders invest and take profits from their trades. The pro trader can have as many as 20 different parameters to choose good trades. Using these parameters, they better predict short-term market movements. The movements have a high enough percentage to stay profitable. One thing you'll quickly learn about is the average true range, or ATR, of the asset you're looking at. The asset's history, chart behaviors, recent news, and more. A trader with savvy control of these tools easily selects successful trades each trading day, something almost impossible to achieve without a proper education. Now let's talk money. Fact, it's possible to make good money in Forex. Let's use realistic figures. $1,000 a month is an amount that sounds really nice as a steady additional income because it's 100% doable. There's not a single person who wouldn't be able to achieve that level. If by chance you feel it's too small, obviously you can make much more. Sky's the limit. Let's start small and work our way to Mount Everest-sized trades. Making a steady profit of 1K a month is a huge indicator of your skill level. It might sound funny, but the path from 1K to 10K a month is far shorter than from 0 to 1K. You follow? Once you have a steady profit flowing, you don't need a great deal to increase it dramatically. Setting money aside for a moment, you can't imagine how fun it is to see a trade close successfully, to hit a few buttons and see actual money going into your account. The sense of satisfaction is awesome, while your adrenaline soars through the roof. And let's not forget to mention the deep feeling of security derived from steady income. Finally, we reach the moment of truth. We've got you good and prepared. We're ready to start at the click of a button and enter our first trade. But, and this is a really big but, as mentioned earlier, roughly 86% of traders who jump into Forex lose their money, especially if you look at the first 3 to 6 months. So what my team and I decided to do was to roll up our sleeves and investigate. We tracked down and spoke to the best traders, examined their strategies to the finest details, and looked to see what they do that amateur traders don't. This is when we identified the main obstacles that caused new traders to fall flat. After we conducted all this deep analysis, it was time to see if we could find any special formulas or habits that we could package and teach people how to produce the same kinds of returns through Forex. By this time, we knew firsthand there's no such thing as a magic button that creates professional traders. What we were looking to find was any kind of unique spice that could be effectively taught to amateur traders. And after what seemed like endless conversations, interviews, data, and research, we did discover there is in fact a way to train just about anyone, from the absolute novice to an elite trader, by simply combining the right knowledge with experienced trader insight and guidance. Our traders beat the market every single day. Over time, we perfected our own formula for success and decided to up our game from teaching off the cuff to teaching officially through a specialized Shark Tips educational program. This is the first of its kind, a program designed to teach anyone interested in how to dig into these incredible markets. The speed course and personal trader guidance is smoothly combined and delivered completely online. It's built around our Forex signal service that helps you choose the right trades in real time. Think of it as a sort of live boot camp. The course gently guides you to create your own consistent returns, giving you the power to take control. Whether your goal is to create an additional income of 10K or 30K a year, you can do this, especially in 2018. To this day, we've trained hundreds of students that make their living off the markets. Based on those success stories, I welcome you to join me in the Speed Course Education Program for 2 months of thrilling learning satisfaction. We have built a speed course that will create the groundwork for your development as a trader. A few weeks is enough to understand the basics and start making money. Through a mere 7-hour investment a week, everyone that joins our Speed Course program will get 2 months of elite trader training, meaning you'll start seeing great results before the Speed Course is finished. Our program is built with a theoretical part which takes up the first few weeks, and a practical part with real-life examples, full guidance, and trading signals for the second set of 3 months. You'll have an asset toolkit ready to put to work with lifetime access to lessons available 24/7 on the dedicated website. Let's quickly go through the specifics of the speed course and what exactly you'll be learning about. The day trading course. This course focuses on how it works, how to analyze charts and indicators, basics of market psychology, trading strategies, what assets to trade and when. We also go over how to pass the mental difficulties that separate normal traders from sharks. The swing trading course. We'll go through valuable tactics and strategies that work for medium to long-term traders. We'll get you up to speed on different trading platforms, build a custom working plan for each student, and find the best learning approach for you. The Shark Tips Forex Signal Service. Every day during the course, we'll send a trading signal directly to your mobile phone and email. It makes your trading life easier in the beginning. You simply enter the signal into your trading platform and follow the trade along with our analysts that hit more than 75% success rate. Pro Trader Guidance. And finally, in our Pro Trader course, we'll provide all the support you need and answer all your questions so you feel safe to start trading and making money. Sounds fun, right? It's the most accurate course in the world in the sense of practical and theoretical knowledge and tools. That's not all. We couldn't stop there. Because these days, the average lifespan for independent Forex traders is 3 months, we decided we needed to increase the value of the course to see our students blow way past and increase the average to a minimum of 10 months. Yep, here comes some bonuses to increase your chances of really seeing success. Our demo trading platform, so that in the start you can practice on a demo account with virtual money until you're ready for real money in trading like the sharks. We'll monitor your first trades, because the habits you acquire as a beginner will set the tone for your future results. Once you start trading, you can send your trading journal to our team of analysts so they can give you suggestions on how to improve. Our low spreads. Rest assured, when you sign up to the course, you'll get access to the best platform and broker spreads out there, a private investors club, which is a place where we can answer all your questions and upload trading ideas and thoughts about the market. We'll find a solution to every challenge you might encounter. Okay, let's start wrapping this up for now. The Shark Tips educational program is built in a way you can understand in your own time, so you become profitable on a consistent basis. What's the price tag on all this information and training? We estimate it's worth close to $1,000. But we pay our company's bills just fine with our Shark Tips signal service. The education is meant to spread prosperity. So we thought a lot about the price of the course, wanting it to be accessible for everyone. We decided that for a limited time only, the price will be the symbolic price listed at the bottom of this video. Our promise to you is that if you follow our teachings, trade responsibly, and listen to the mentor's advice, you'll belong to our limited and exclusive group of traders beating the market. So let me ask you again. If you knew that within a month from today, you'll have the ability to generate $500 or even $1,000 a month, would you put in the few weekly hours to study the content? Would you sign up to an educational program that opens the gate to this world? Would you open an investing account by tomorrow? My friends, join me and the Shark Tips team. Not only will you turn into a profitable trader with a real asset in your hands, but you'll also accomplish all of your wants and desires. You'll help us create the next generation of traders that act to achieve their own dreams and not somebody else's. We already have limited space in the upcoming course due to the demand of crypto knowledge. So make a move that will change your life and become a shark. See you soon. I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Wishing all the best to you as well as to all of our present and future students.